How to transfer money from PayPal to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to add Chime bank account to your PayPal and let's see how we can do it. Open up your PayPal. After that you will be able to find the option of link a card or bank account. Just simply click on it. After that select the option of link a bank account and then just search for Chime. And after selecting Chime, just simply enter the details, your email address and password in order to log in and verify. And after the security check, your Chime will be linked with PayPal. And this way, you would be allowed to transfer funds from your PayPal to Chime. Right under your balance, you will be able to find the option of transfer. Just simply select it. Then just select the Chime account that we just selected right now. The name might appear a little different on PayPal. For the Chime account, just select it and transfer the funds. And this is how you will be able to transfer funds from PayPal to Chime. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.